Value makes the difference in results. Value, the more value you are pushing out into the marketplace, the better response you will get. You can analyze your comments, your response to give yourself more clarity on the content you should document. This way you are leveraging what your marketplace needs. Remember, the more and bigger pain points you are solving, the better the results, the better you can grow, excel, and expand your business. But first, you need to improve yourself and be able to take risk in order to see traction happening in the midst of you building your brand, your business to exceptional heights. Value makes the difference in results. Giving people that meet quality content whereby when they are chewing and eating that content and coming up with their own conclusion on which topics, strategies, tactics to actually implement for them to get the results, the transformation, the outcome they would love to see, would love to explore or experience. You must show up with value each and every single day. Your market must see you regularly online. That way, you are dialing the needle closer to generate that lead, to convert leads into sales, whereby the prospect will come to you, viewing you as the expert, as the profession in your niche market. So remember, value makes the difference in results. Show up,